Don't mess with me, I'm not blessed Jezza. I'm taking the first flight. Holy 10 explodes at President's sons. Alleges soldiers sent to evict him. The 8th of September 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent vertical bar Zim I vertical bar Harari. In a stunning and explosive broadcast that has rocked social media, Zimbabwean rapper Holy 10 has publicly accused President Emerson Mnangagwa's twin sons, Sean and Collins, of intimidation, alleging they dispatched soldiers to his home to repossess a house and gifts once given to him. The musician, born Mnangagwa, who last year was a vocal supporter of ZANU-PF, has now made a dramatic U-turn, creating an online firestorm that has left the nation talking. In an emotional Instagram live on Sunday, Holy 10 claimed that Sean Mnangagwa, a major in the Zimbabwe National Army, sent armed personnel to his residence with instructions for his wife, Kimberly Richards, to vacate. Leaked screenshots from his WhatsApp messages appeared to confirm the move, with the rapper telling his wife, "Pack all our things. We're giving them back their house." On his Instagram stories, he directly tagged Sean and Collins, writing, "Should have never given me your gifts if you knew you could take them back." In a furious tirade, Holy 10 openly confronted the first family's sons. "Sean, what you did at my house. I'm coming to your house. Make sure you kill me. I'm not afraid of ZANU-PF, all of you. I can end ZANU-PF today. I'm bigger than ZANU-PF." He went further, accusing them of tarnishing his reputation after he had worked hard to clean up ZANU-PF's image. Turning his fire on Collins, he said, "Collins thinks he is loved by the people. Let him start a live right now, and let's see how many people join. I know where Collins lives. They shouldn't mess with me." Less than an hour later, the artist appeared to backtrack, posting a message apologizing. "Apologies to my brothers Sean and Collins." He also posted a cryptic story reading, "It's not fear, it's respect. At ZVAITWA don't try me." The Mnangagwa family has not yet issued a response. Online, reactions have ranged from concern for Holy 10's safety to suggestions this may have been a publicity stunt ahead of new music releases. Analysts note the significance of the fallout, given Holy 10's previous loyalty to ZANU-PF and his prominent role in defending the party through music and public commentary. For now, the 26-year-old rapper has drawn a dangerous line in the sand, directly challenging the president's sons in a way rarely seen in Zimbabwe's fraught political and entertainment landscape. Social media remains ablaze, with many warning the artist could face serious reprisals for his explosive outburst, while others argue he has simply played into the same politics that once elevated him.